Hello guys, this is Vishnu and English topic, uh, tech, topic is on hard skills versus soft skills. So let's get started. So what basically are hard skills? So hard skills are nothing but uh, that to easy to identify and define with respect to a profession. So these are technical skills that are that are associated with the respective profession. So these hard skills can be gained or improved by any individual uh, with respect to their profession. So in case of tests, I mean an example where a mechanical engineer um, knows about machines a lot, and a software engineer would know a lot about programming, and a mathematician know more about formulas, etc., and so on. So these are hard skills. The technical terms or terminologies can also be referred as a hard skills, and they can be understood by the persons with that particular background. So these are known as hard skills, which are basically used in companies and firms and any other official place of work. So these are known as hard skills. So let's get into soft skills. What exactly are they? So soft skills are a cluster of productive personality traits that characterizes one's relationship in a medium. So what it basically saying is uh, being as productive as they can in a group of people. So soft skills are basically related to the speaking skills, uh, where the person expresses the emotions in an official place, uh, in an unofficial manner. Let's say, like in a group discussion or group meeting in a company, team uh, can talk in a normal manner, like without including any technical terms or any kind of words, special words, but just talking in a normal way, like social talk or something which is related to work, but it's way more towards social talk, but not as a technical talk. So these can be classified as this can be known as a soft skill, uh, where this is being used by the team leaders to communicate with their teammates in a very low manner and very understandable way, and it can vice versa. The teammates can also be of the same sort with the team lead, and these are soft skills. And these are known to be as soft skills. So let's keep moving. So let's see what exactly are hard skills and soft skills, and let's understand them. So hard skills, it defines suitability to a particular job role. So if a person is well versed in programming, then he might be knowing the language, the syntax of each code, and also logic. I mean, for what kind of what for what particular question, what kind of logic would be good to solve that. And all of that, a person is said to be good for a software engineer job if he is well versed with programming and think. I mean, and thinking about the algorithms. So this is what resembles defining suitability to a particular job role. And soft skills is a part of your personality. So, um, how well you are in social crowds, and how well you express something to someone, and etc. And we can say how well you are with the people in a manner. informal manner. So hard skills are easy to measure. So because a lot, I mean, technical terms are included in this hard skills, where um, these can be measured by saying that, um, let's consider, uh, saying that a turbo fan. So turbo fan, which is used in aeronautical, I mean not aeronautical, but uh, airplane engines, so as to avoid bird strikes and all. So it's known to be as a uh, turbo fan. So it can also be known as a fan, I guess. I don't think so. And another example for easy to measure, it's like how well versed a person in programming. If you can see, there are a lot of terminologies included in it. Like in the case of Python, normal iterables, which is going through one by one. If a person says going one by one, or going through one by one number, then you can say that his hard skills are low. And if a person says that iterable, then we can classify him as a he's well versed in the subject, and his hard skills are very good. And soft skills cannot be quantified. So we cannot measure how the person's soft skills. Uh, so that explains itself. And hard skills are specific in nature. And as we said, for programming, and for the people with programming, the people with a mechanical background, and they're specific. So specific to a job role, we can say, in other words. So soft skills are general in nature. So it's like talking to the normal people in day-to-day life. So that's soft skills. And hard skills can be learned through training. So the more you learn, the more you know about the technical terms, and the more, uh, I mean, the more frequently you will be using those terms, technical terms, wherever they are needed. So this can be learned, and soft skills can only be enhanced by practicing or talking to a lot of people, or uh, if a person is very comfortable in their mother tongue, then those people need more and more practice, so that they may speak in English or any other language that's in demand. I mean, that is demanding that person to speak. In other words, you can say. So those can be enhanced. Soft skills can be, and hard skills are specific to a field or job. So as we said earlier, it's a programmer, a programming, and a mechanical engineer, or a civil engineer, all of that. And soft skills are applicable universally. So as we said earlier, it's like speaking to common people, or just speaking to the people in day-to-day life. And hard skills are not like that. They are specific to a job role. And actually there are a few words which are specific to a job role. um, their meaning will be changed with respect to the job, with respect to the field. So I don't have any examples right now. So yeah, getting into the hard skills examples. Proficiency in languages, this is way more related into programming. Like how well you are in Python, or how well you are in C language, or C++, Java, C sharp, or C++, as I said, um, Kotlin, or Tableau, or using Tableau, uh, or R language, etc. Proficiency, how well versed you are, or how good you know about that language, or how uh, in I mean that depth, you know. So that actually depends the level of hard skills that particular person has. So soft skills, communication skills. as we said earlier, it's like talking to the common people, or talking to the people. So that's soft skills, one of the example. And hard skills, another example is IT skills, which explains the same, like the field of. I mean, these examples are interlinked to each other. So for IT skills, hard skills, the soft skills would be of like troubleshooting and problem solving. And for coding, it's of strategic thinking. Yeah, for coding, the same. Actually, coding refers to as the languages which are HTML, CSS. Those are known to as coding languages, but not as programming languages. Programming includes math. So coding doesn't involve any kind of math.